Hello, welcome to Seaballs Outdoors. Today I get onto my first Jewfish in Woodford Bay Reserve in Lanecove. Came out with a plan to fish with my own lures, but because the tide was so low I couldn't get out past the bank because the flat goes out for a long way. I swapped to metals and then got onto this, my first Jewfish, on some really light gear, made for some very exciting fishing. If that sounds like something you're interested in, stick around. But what a beauty, that's a trophy. We're at Woodford Bay Reserve, which is a certified flatty hole. I've got one lure box in a bum bag, which will help us move across these banks quickly. It's not too sinky. Damn it. Just a little bit dirtier than when we began. I think it stays this flat for a really long way, so there's not much chance of getting off the edge. A few more casts, then I might just have a go with a jig. Surely something just hanging out in the depths off the flat. On, first cast, yes. I knew it was a good idea. So I'm gonna grab him. Perfecto. It's a pretty good fish. Flatty for sure. Kind of reluctantly coming in. I see you. Oh, you're actually pretty big. Bit of a Lanecove special. What do you know? Don't. I'm just doing a measure. No. Here he goes. Come on. Squid, I should grab that. We're already so nasty, there's no coming back, so we'll chuck it in our pocket. See if we can find a slightly deeper spot. Otherwise we might just revert to shore jigging with metals. Get the distance out of the drop off because can't really get it with anything else. That edge looks good. Man, 10 centimeters deep and it goes so far out at this depth. Straight on the boat. I might chuck the metal jig on. While the tide is this low and there's not much I can do about getting out a little bit deeper to target brim, I'm going to swap to metal. So I've got this AliExpress 15 grammer, which, you know, it's seen better days, but should do the trick. And then from there I should be able to prospect and see if there's something big sitting around. Good. Good. That's a better one. Avoid getting hooked myself. Oh. And he does look like he has bite marks on him, so maybe there's something a little bit bigger out there. Catching stacks of tailor does kind of end up being fun because at least you know there are fish there, and then you like leave it to sink a little bit deeper, hopefully get onto something bigger. Bigger fish will follow. Oh damn it, just dropped my jumper in the bloody water. One more go in that area, maybe a little bit further over here. Is that good? I think that's pretty good. What is that? That's got a bit of go. I think that's a mullet. My first mullet. What a bloody whopper. Quite a beautiful fish. They go hard as well. If we're on the yak, we would be live baiting you for sure. Oh my god, the cast distance with this rod is mental. right out to that big blue boat. That's got to be like 60, 70 meters. On. Looks like something maybe, oh, it got off. Oh my God, that's right at the back of that boat. That's an amazing cast. Feels like it's rubbing on something. Oh Lord, that's a fish. That's a run and a half. Nice even load. We're gonna need to get our net out. That's a great fish. I'm actually gonna get in the water for this. Just leave it there. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna wade out here. Oh my God, this is just a little bit too hairy. This fish has way too much power. Alright, had to change batteries mid-fight, and I'm just fucking having the worst luck. Just need to leave it pretty close. What is that? We're gonna just drop the draggers. I think I just saw the tail of a massive flathead. Oh, it's a Jewy. I've never caught a Jewfish. People say these suck. This was awesome. Oh, come on. Come on, you dog. Get in there, you dog. Yes! What a great catch. These are very delicate fish, so I'll do my best to get it all unhooked very quickly. I don't want him to go mental, so I'll just get this out. We'll put him just against the rod for the measure, and we'll try and get him back in the water really fast. I'm actually gonna give him a swim. Swim him for a little while till he starts seeming very keen, and I'll just undo his mouth. Whoa! It's funny, my friend was actually just saying that they aren't the biggest fighters, but I guess anything can really put it down on light gear. Man, that was sick. Oh, my jumper. That was sick. That was an experience. Oh, cool. I dare say there'll be nothing else to include, so I will see you on the next one. If you want to know more, please ask me questions. Happy to share. Locations in the description, and that's likely it. Oh my God, what? Straight onto another fish. And securely